Hey, Tamara here, and thanks for watching the video. So, the number one thing you need for any kind of online business is traffic. What's traffic? Traffic is just people or leads, people that are coming to see either your landing page or your sales page or your website blog, anything like that. So that's traffic. That's the lifeblood for your online business. So I've been using various traffic sources, and I joined LeadsLeap about 2 months ago, and I've now gotten thousands and thousands of eyeballs on my ads and or my websites as a free member. So you can join absolutely for free, and you'll have 10 different ads. So those can go to 10 different sales pages, landing pages, websites, or 10 different ads to all the same affiliate offer you're doing. It's totally up to you. If you join as a pro member like I have, then you get 10 more. So that's 20. Plus there's a bunch of other tools I'm going to show you inside my dashboard to see exactly what you get and how many clicks I've had to my links. Okay, so as I said before, just join as a free member, check it out for yourself. And like I said, there's other tools that you get to use as a free member, but there's a lot more as a pro. Plus you make 25 commissions. If anyone does upgrade to the pro member, it's only $19.95 a month. But like I said, join as a free because then you're going to get offered. So you can save, I think you save like $10 or $8 a month. So wait till you see that $19.95 upgrade to pro if that's what you want to do. But like I said, join as free member, and let's go inside my dashboard so I can show you everything inside. All right. Okay, so talking about LeadsLeap, I've been using them for I think 6 weeks, maybe 2 months, and you can join absolutely free. And they have 120,000 members, 28 million real visitors sent to people's affiliate programs, services, blogs, whatever you want, basically. And what you can get, you'll get access to all of these once you join for free. Free traffic to your websites, free autoresponder service, your own list, not co-owned, free page builder, free pop-up generator, free link tracker, and make free money. Okay, so all you gotta do is join there for free. Okay, once you join as free, you'll be taken to your dashboard, and you can just pop in your details over here. And then as a free member, you'll get to set up 10 credit ads. Okay, so that's just for my free ads, right? And then what I recommend is going to Canva and just, creating these little ads. And then what you do is you put the link to where you're sending them. Right? You can either use their free link tracker here, or I use my own. So it's totally up to you. I really don't even have to use link tracker, but LeadsLeap records all your real visits. But the thing, as a free member, you have to click on ads to get credits. Okay. So that is why I would totally recommend upgrading to Pro, because it's super cheap. And when you first join as a free member, you're going to be given a discount code. So it's only like $19.95 a month. And the great thing about being a pro is that you still get to post your 10 free credit ads, which I highly recommend. But you then also get to have 10 permanent pro ads. So now you have, and you don't have to, for your pro ads, to see the difference in my free ads. It was like, so this shows my traffic stats for all 10 of my free ads, 30 days. So I've had 130 total clicks over the last month with my free ads. Okay. And then because like I said, so what I do, my daily routine is I usually click about 20 of these just to get some credits for my free ads so they can be shown. But with your pro ads, you don't have to click on anything. They will just always be there as long as you remain a pro member. So look at the difference. I've had 1974 people click on my links, basically. And then it also shows you the surfing duration. So yeah, and I've definitely had leads and even sales through just using LeadsLeap for, like I said, I think maybe 2 months. And then you can also do reviews. So, and as a pro member, you also get to welcome your team. So I would definitely make sure you just set up your message here. Okay, so everyone in your team that you refer will see this little message. So again, they can click from there to here. And like I said, there's also, you can use a link tracker, rotators, ad bars, the email marketing. You can set that up as well. Build pages with LeadsLeap, Funnel Builder. I mean, I don't use any of this because I'm with Builderall. I've been with them since 2017. And so all my tools I get with them. So I personally don't use any of these, but you definitely could. And there's even image hosting for PDFs and images. And another thing, when you click, so if you, as long as you click 10 of these per day, you actually earn money. I mean, it's not much money, so don't count on it, but you can exchange that for ad credits. And another great thing is you can become an affiliate. So you earn 25% recurring commissions as a free member, and then 50% if you're a pro member. So anyone who upgrades to be a pro, and like I said, if you are thinking about pro, I mean, you can cancel anytime you like too. It's like I said, it's under $20 a month. So basically, most affiliate programs are worth, you make more than $20, especially the ones I promote. So, even if you just get one sale a month, it's definitely worth it. And you're getting a lot of eyeballs on what you're promoting, right? And then, like I said, so you make 50% as a pro or 25% commissions. And then the daily active bonus, which I'll show you in a second how to do it. It's pretty easy. So I haven't clicked on any credits yet. So that's how 91. There's some days I don't click at all, but I usually try and get around, at least 10. So that just shows you. But so you can either take that, I don't know, imagine there's a minimum, or you can just change that over to ad credits. It's up to you. But I mean, it takes me a couple of minutes. And you have to watch each ad at least 5 seconds. And then you can also put the LeadsLeap widget code and get paid per click earnings. And there's more affiliate links and tools. So it's pretty cool. Like I said, for $20 a month. So even as a pro member, make sure you do your credit ads, the free ads, as well as your pro ads. So now you have 20. I mean, you could do 20 promoting the same product if you wanted to, just do different images. Like I said, you can set that up through canva.com, super easy too. And if you want to, you also get to see your stats for each ad to see which one's performing better. So you can change them up at any time as well. Super easy. All you have to do is edit. You just put a title, so it has to be 25 characters or less. And then the text, so it has to be 60 or less. And then here is how you click here to add or change your image. Just make sure there's a green arrow, so click that. And then the category that fits what you're promoting. And if you do the reviews, you can also add those as well. I don't have any yet. I need to do some actually, because if they like your review, they will email that review to everyone. So 120,000 members. So that's why I need to do some. All right, and then all you do is save and submit. And then for clicking on the ads, what you want to do is go over here. Okay, if you don't want to see that one, you just go more in the same category. Okay, and then we go here, and then we should see the little lady pop up here saying, oh, you've started your daily clicks to get that little bit of, a couple pennies, whatever. But it does add up. Like I said, I've only been with them 2 months, and it's just a little extra bonus. And there she is. So you want to do minimum 10 a day, and that's for your free ads. So they get taken to your actual landing page or website or blog or whatever. So they actually get eyeballs on what you're promoting, which is pretty cool. And like I said, there's 119,000 members. So, and then when you're done, so it has to be at least 5 seconds. It might be longer as a free member. It might be 10 or 15, but I'm not 100% sure because I joined as a pro member pretty much right away. And then same thing. So then you'll see your clicks adding up here and then your credits and then how much traffic you'll get for clicking on to your free ads. And that's the beauty of being a pro. You don't have to click on anything for those 10 pro ads to be seen. So that's pretty much it. There's lots of tools and ways to get, traffic through LeadsLeap. So that's why I'm using it. Okay, so yeah, if you join, click on that link below, then you'll join under me. And again, I think you can reach out to me if you have any questions or just leave a comment below. It's probably easiest. Okay, so we'll see you on the next video. Have yourself a great day.